How to reset Instagram Explore page in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you the easiest way to fix this problem. First thing, go to your Instagram and refresh the Explore page, and then all what you want to do next is go into the posts or the photos that you like and put like on them, and then make a comment. For example, you need to say that you like it, I like it, like this, and then do the same thing with all the pictures that you like and you want to see like them. For example, let's say, what else, this one, put a like and a comment. You need to say I like it, that's it. And you can just do the same thing over and over, and your explore page is gonna be fixed, and it will show you only the posts that you'll like. This is the only fix, so don't forget to like, subscribe.